Hello, everybody. How are you? I hope you're good. This is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. I'm here with 2024 31 Day Smashbook Challenge. Today is day 19, inspiration. So, my inspiration for a lot of what I do in my life is my grandpa and my mama. So, it's a simple little page, pictures of them both. My grandpa, I miss them both, and my mama. So, my grandpa pretty much helped raise me until he passed away. But he played the significant father role in my life, because my dad wasn't. And my mom, she was a hard-working woman, took care of her kids, worked 3 jobs to give them a better life. Great nana for my children. And I miss her each and every day. She would be spoiling my grandchildren like you wouldn't believe. I think that's where I get it. It's from my mom. So that is day 19, my inspiration. Thank you for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.